Thank you for joining us today for our plumbing inspection for the property on South Buchanan Circle in Louisville, Colorado. My name is Jimmy, working with Sewer Diagnostics to provide our inspection today. We are currently accessing the line through the downstairs toilet rough-in. Unfortunately, the 3-inch cleanout available here in the bathroom is improperly sized to the drywall and could not be accessed. We'll show that once we bring the camera back into the property. But we have managed to make it out to our city tap connection located in the front street at about 108 feet, which as we pull back, we will see it is properly aligned on top. Given the angle of approach, we have some limited visibility, but the joint connection appears properly functioning at time of inspection. Pulling back to about 63 feet, we do see a failed joint connection in the PVC. We will be recommending for repair. At about the 6 o'clock position on this next joint connection, we can see roots intruding through and compromising that rubber gasket between PVC segments. We can see it has also bent and compressed the PVC slightly, indicating it is putting pressure on the line. So we'll recommend this for repair as a structural compromise to the line. At about 28 feet, we transition from interior to exterior materials. The joint connection is properly aligned here with no visible restriction to flow. From about 9 feet to 15 feet, we do have a minor area of grading loss in the piping, where the cast iron flattens slightly and holds no more than 1/4 to 1/2 inch of water at its deepest point. This is not significant enough to consider it a major flow restriction. No heavy debris appears to be being held. Throughout our interior cast iron piping as well, we have seen some moderate scale and grease buildup on the sides of the pipe wall. So we're going to recommend a blade cleaning of the line as well as that exterior repair to ensure proper structural integrity and unrestricted flow throughout. As we pull the camera back towards the toilet here, just about wrapping up our assessment of the main line. We will see as we pull the camera out of our toilet rough-in where our 3-inch cleanout is. That will require some drywall cutting and exposure to actually utilize and access. That's present right here next to the toilet. As we can see, the drywall cut is too small to actually open up that cap without doing damage to the wall. And with that paint over it especially, that is unusable at this time. So in summary, 3 different recommendations for this main line. 1, have the line repaired at that failed joint connection on the exterior of the property, located in the front driveway at the green paint dot on the driveway at about 5 feet 6 inches deep. We will also recommend a blade cleaning to the line to remove any scale and grease buildup. And we will also recommend having that 3-inch cap in the downstairs bathroom properly accessible by some cutting of the drywall and paint over the cleanout. Other than that, that completes our inspection for South Buchanan Circle in Louisville, Colorado.